Good afternoon, people. It's Saturday afternoon, and I have these Nissan 2006, and I just replaced the door handle. And to replace the door handle, you have to remove just about everything that's on the way. See, all that make it too complicated. Not really. All you gotta do is just go and do it, but you have to remove that. Is where the glass go, and there's a glass right there. See. Well, this is a 2006 Nissan, and that's how you replace the door handle. Door handle right in there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's... Y'all have a nice day. God is good.